don't know if you heard that in the background there, but I heard the buzzard calling. But the birds you can hear, and they often sit in this end of Roewood, are the ringtail parakeets, the Indian birds. They seem to have found a great home here in South Yorkshire and all over England. They seem to like the weather quite mild, but they've been able to transfer their living habitat to England. And some birds, like the Indian collared dove as well, that was one that's actually found its way here. They think possibly just by migration and the warmer climes, and that's settled well and fitted quite well into, found a little niche within our environment. And there are space for genetic variations of birds, animals and plants to try and adjust and move. That's the way that biodiversity operates. But then on the same token, we shouldn't just be introducing things to an environment willy-nilly, untried and tested, like has happened often with our Victorian ancestors travelling and bringing plants back, not really knowing what sort of damage they might cause. And some of them, the Japanese knotweed being one point in case, causes a lot of problems and a lot of expense. Just because something looks nice doesn't mean to say that it won't get out into the environment and cause problems. And that's one that has, unfortunately. Himalayan balsam is another damp loving plant that now is causing lots of issues. Very, very invasive, growing everywhere along our riverbanks. So until there is a creature that evolves alongside it to be able to eat it, and eventually something will, but it might take a long time, then it can cause us lots of issues. But also genetic variation as well within a population is important too. It really is.